Scheduling work is an area that I was far too slow on putting enough attention and emphasis into. So my first project, I didn't really have a clue what I was doing, and I just reacted as things happened day to day. And that showed through because it took nearly 2 years for a relatively simple project. So by the time I got to the toll house, my second project, I'd improved on this a little bit and I'd work out kind of what I wanted to do each month. By the time I got to the old chicken house, an Otterhead house, I realised that this needed a bit more attention. And by then, I'd put a bit more time and effort in and had a good overall view of what was happening and when it was happening in the project. But still, the day-to-day workings certainly could have been improved and made things much more efficient and streamlined. So it was only when I got to this place, the Lookout, that I realised how much effort and attention really needed to be put into this. So this place was extremely well scheduled, all the timelines were very well crafted and worked out, and that's why we managed to achieve a turnaround in this place in only 13 weeks. It made such a difference.